Probably why we make some little videos about computer stuff. I teach you some African English language. So today I have this product. It's from GVM. So this is a GVM LED light panel, CRI97 plus. That is the model, I believe. And this costs around $309 for a set of 3. So I'm going to be talking about the good, the bad, and the ugly of this LED panel. So if you will see, you're wondering why do I have a monitor here that is switch off. We will come back to that later. But first, let's talk about the light, which is the good. This light comes in a set of 3. Yeah, 3 meta. And it has this door panel included. It has a diffuser which you can remove from the side, and it's also bicolor. I think it goes from 2000, that is 2300K to 6800K. So it's really very nice, and it is solid made. This is made of a little bit, I think it's aluminum. This is also a little bit of a plastic, metal, plastic, the LED and stuff like that. So it's actually very strong and steady. I'm gonna turn it on for you to see. The brightness of the light is really very good. So sorry about that. You can bring it from, this is 2300 up to that is 6800. So I don't want to blind you anyway. So if you can see it, it's really a very bright light, and you can also diffuse it with this. It does a good job. I'm actually using it to light myself from the back here and on top there. So it's actually a very good light. So I'm gonna like close it off, turn it up. That is for the light. The back, it has the LED screen here. You see it comes on, and it has this knob here. This knob is for the CCT, and you can increase it there and back. And this is for the brightness, and there and back. And this actually is Wi-Fi reset button. Wi-Fi reset button in the sense that you can control it from your app. So even though you put it down, you see, to the lowest, I don't know if you can see it from here. That is the lowest, you can see. So it still lights up the subject very well. You can see it still lights up my face very well. So if you just put it down there, you have light coming from down there. So this is good. It has a mount. You can mount it directly or sideways, which I have a stand here I'm gonna use for it to mount it, so you can see. If you're interested in buying this light, I have to be honest with you, it's a good light. You can mount it this way. It falls out every time. There's nothing holding it very tight in there, so it's always falling out. So you can mount it this way, or you can mount it this way. So either way, it's gonna work fine for you. So what is the bad about this? I'm gonna set this down here. So I have 2 problems with it. It comes with 3 stands, including the one on the floor here. There are 3 of them it comes with. And the only problem, which is the bad problem about it, is these stands. These stands are made up of plastics, and the knob are not, they don't work very fine. You know, when you adjust them, you lock them into place. Before you know it, it's just a little bit, you know, sliding back down. When there's anything heavy, even the light on it, it slides down. So this is just a terrible stand. You should think about getting yourself a better light stand if you're gonna be using this light. The stands are good, but not very good. And another thing is, it comes with a bag. I can't find where the handle is. The handle of the bag just break off and everything just falls on the floor. It was not strong enough. The bag wasn't strong enough. It fell off and everything just got torn up. So now let's go to the ugly part. Shemo, no matter how we talk, we still need to go to the ugly part. The ugly part is this thing. Guys, you see, it snapped into two. You can see it here. It snaps into two, falling directly on top of my monitor. You see that? It just snapped out, break off, boom, just like that. Look at the iron is broken there. Part of it, the other part of the iron is left inside here. It's just inside there somewhere. It's the plastic broke and the light, just one light was on top of it. It broke and went crashing on top of my monitor. So this is where, let me show you the ugly part of this light is I have this monitor for quite some time and that is what I have now. It just crashed on top of the monitor and the monitor is gone. It's broken. It's just terrible, you know, for you to have a monitor for quite some time and it got broken by just a light stand because of parts they bought that they are useless or they are not good for one reason or the other. So my conclusion is, if you want to buy this land, you're looking into lights for 3 setup lights at a very cheaper budget price, around 310 pounds. They are good lights to go with. That is the GVM LED lights. They are continuous light for making your video. They are good lights to go with, but you gotta be careful, guys. You must shine your eye very well. These things, they break pocket, they break money. 300 broke a monitor of about 500 when I got it. Probably is around 300 now. I don't know how much the monitor is now, but I got it for 500 plus. But now 300 thing just break the thing into two. See me see trouble. See me see trouble. Because I want light, monitor is kaput. As the German said, broken, kaput. So guys, that is it for today. I have some little unboxing and stuff to talk about for you looking for something cheap on Amazon to set up your room, your gaming room, your streaming room, your YouTube room. I have some little stuff you can put on your table, your decks there for you. So I'm gonna just come back to do a little bit of review of them and we can talk about. So this is just a short video talking about the GVM LED light panel, which fucked me up. That thing break my monitor. I nearly cry. Anyway, see you guys next time. And if you have any comments or anything you want to say, just pop it down there in the comments. And for those of you who never subscribe, when they worry yourself, try press the subscribe button somewhere there. They kill. It doesn't kill you. Press follow. Follow your guy. Press the subscribe button. Subscribe to this channel. And for those of you my subscriber, I beg now, come back, come look now. What do they want to shine your eye? I'll see you next time. Odabo.